Hey guys, I'm at the Southern California Retro Game Expo. I came here with some friends and there's a lot of games here. It's crazy. There's a bunch of sealed games and there's like a lot of cool things to see.
Old school Donkey Kong and Super NES is pretty cool. It's like a special competition cartridge. I'm trying to get a high score. We got a Joker here. He's actually carrying the gun. Did you notice the gun? Yeah, look at that thing. It's huge. All these posters. They're posters of Super NES games. Oh, there's a Smash Bros. This is cool. Oh, it's Breath of the Wild.
You're freaking out because of the guy? The 20 started, it's super full. They had to close up like all the entries and it's like right over there. They're still going at it. It's going to take them probably till 5 to finish. But, yeah.
I've never seen one of these in person. This is a real life N64 DD. These things are kind of rare. Like $800? Look at that.
But he can still lose to Doug Evans.
Did it. Only you can just rush it.
Thank you guys for watching. I don't know if you guys are into video games, but I really liked that. I do have a story, guys, to tell you about the event, but I'm going to have to tell you in another video because I wanted to make this video short. So thank you guys for watching. Please have a great, wonderful day, and consider subscribing if you're not subscribed already. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys around. Bye.